Hello, I'm gonna use a video with another toy review. This Jollibee.
Magaling ka sa bitch ang init sa katawan mo.
I just made it.
Jollibee, guys.
Jollibee.
Not Jollibee. Yeah, we're gonna open box. Which one we should open first, Rain? First or guess?
This one.
We're gonna open the front box.
Okay, go.
Watch it out there. Which one we
Bakit hindi
should?
naman tinagal ng internet eh?
I want both.
Let's make the
Wala?
boat one.
Wala. Baka tinagal din Tito Jeff mo doon. Wala pa.
Okay,
Both.
favorite type both.
I'm gonna make a boat.
Oo.
Okay, yellow one, yellow boat. Okay, try yellow.
Ang saksak. Hindi mo magbutok yun.
Okay, I make orange.
The orange thing
Sure.
goes here.
Okay, where's your purple?
And I think
Young purples.
the
Okay, go.
goes.
Take it,
here.
go.
I think this
Green. Oops.
Oh,
Don't.
gold.
Hanap yung pagkain, Chichi.
Yeah, it is. Oh. Don't check the floor. Okay.
But it's kind of hard.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna hold this kid. Okay, no! So close. Look at this boat. Okay, we're gonna look at the boat island. Look at the boat. The ocean. Get it.
Mara, gusto ko kasi namin nito.
Okay, bus by get.
Wala kayo. Wala pa nga eh. Baka si Jeff.
Guess what?
Dito. Baka pinatay ni Jeff doon.
Okay.
Okay, but
Saksak naman.
I don't know.
Ayan, okay.
Okay, but give me 6. 50 seconds. 50 seconds.
2 minutes.
Saksakan dito.
Okay, we're doing the body.
Aba next. This one.
We do next.
Sure.
We're gonna do the boat one. That's the boat.
Okay, let's look at the boat.
The useless boat. Go.
Go. Back and forth. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Perfect.
Another one.
No.
No, not this.
Okay,
Naksa ka na mga 2 minutes.
What should we do?
this one.
There may be actually.
Okay, let's see.
Saving the map. Okay, where's why it's spoiled?
Numbers begin.
Oh, God.
Okay, let's
Just
see.
like Jollibee. Almost say Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Very farther down.
Here we go.
That.
Okay, all means challenge.
Wow. Balls.
And this one cup.
Okay.
C U P.
Okay. See.
Take it easy. Okay. Okay, members, okay? Ma'am, okay. Meto, okay? Huh?
Yes. Another cup. Now, does it have that one? Door. That's it. Cup.
Mr. Chicks. Okay, members speaking. 5, 3, 1. Okay, let's open it. Okay, let's open it.
Pen. The pen. But it's kind of hard. Let's see. Here.
Technologies.
Okay. Box. The box, guys. And I got more rings. No, mamaya pa yan. Mamaya yan. Mamaya, okay? Bruh, sorry.
Yung,
What is this?
bang,
What should you do? Toy.
Secrets.
Toy. 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 It's
House.
backwards. Sorry guys, it's backwards.
Come on, let's go.
I
Let's get some
saan pa ba ako na?
It's
Nagdaan sa akin. Sino siya? Ito pa ba?
backwards.
Saan natin pabango dyan?
Let's do the number
Bango kami.
number surprise. Do number surprise. Yeah. I actually already did. Okay, let's scramble this.
Bango. Bango last bango. Saan na yun na? Ano na yun? Saan sa mga?
Okay, let's do math. I don't know how to do math, but I think. Bruh.
Oh my gosh.
It's backwards, bro.
Ayun na. Ayun na.
It's backwards, guys. But I think 3. Wait, no. 5 plus 8 equals 180.
Baby, nagkalat naman kayo agad. Naglilipit nga tayo. Naglilipit. Bumay sa kwarto.
Do this.
Napakita mo yung naregalo sa akin itim na damit. Sige, Angel, hindi ba? Kita ka lang ako. May nakita ka lang.
Naka-plastic?
Oo.
Nandun niya sa damitan niya. Kinuha ko yung plastic kasi noon. Nilagay.
Ah, sa damit mo Roger, sa bag niya?
Oo, kasi doon ko nilagay yung...
Ah, regalo sa akin. Sa kanino, Steve Suron.
Nice.
Together.
Dami nang basahan mo.
Bitin mo to.
Ngayon na
No, I don't know how to do math. I don't know how to do math.
Together.
Parang bibili din ako yelo.
Mamaya na. Madali ka ba, Milo?
Ano oras na?
Mamaya na.
Yeah, I should do.
Ba?
Ano ba gagawin ko?
Ano yung sit up na ano?
Together.
Ang kamay ka, ano yung agad?
Let's do this.
Hindi!
Yeah, let's do this.
Alis pa kayo mga tao. Kamukha mo to ah.
Opo nga eh. Opo nga eh.
Ay, kasi ito yung white plastic. Ganda oh.
Put together.
Ako yan.
Oo, kakulay na.
May maganda. Bibitin.
Oo, kakulay na collection natin.
Put it together. Put it together.
Oo, yung mga ganyang mas talo. Ano yung
I don't want to put it together.
Wow.
What
What is it?
Put it together.
I think it's off. I think it's really off. I think.
Together.
Wait.